How to set up payment methods in WooCommerce. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to set up payment methods in WooCommerce using WordPress.com. First thing, you can open your web browser and type in WordPress.com. For us to begin, you need to click on Get Started, that is located on the upper right corner of the website. That's beside the word Login. If you haven't created your account yet, you just go ahead and proceed with clicking on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, it routes you to a page where it asks for you to fill out the information that is needed for you to create the account, like your email address, your username, and you need to create your own password for this as well. Another option for you to create the account here is through your existing Google account or through your Apple account. Okay, let me type in my password, and once I type in my password, I can go ahead and click on Create Your Account to proceed. Once I click on Create Your Account, I will be routed to a page where I will choose a domain. For choosing a domain, you can type in any descriptive keywords for you to begin on choosing. So in my case, I choose art, and there's a lot of options here where some of the domains require payment, but in this case, we'll just click on free. Once you click on or select free, it will provide you different flavors of WordPress. So you can have free, personal, premium, business, commerce, and enterprise. So you can choose any of these depending on the business that you currently have, or that is in line to your website that we will be creating. Okay, so I just click on free, and then WordPress will ask for what are our goals in creating the website. So you can select all that applies to your website. So in my case, let me just click on Other, since this is just for an example. And once we click on Other, it asks a little bit more about the website still, but you can just do this later. We can just go ahead and skip to your dashboard. That's on the left upper right corner of the screen. Once you click on that, sometimes it routes you to the steps that you need to complete to proceed with launching the website. But no worries, you can just go ahead and click on Skip to Dashboard. That's on the lower side of the left side panel. Okay, once you click on it, this routes you to a page or to your dashboard of the WordPress account. So to go to your WooCommerce account, you just need to click on Plugins. That's on the left side panel of the screen. And then on the search bar, you can go ahead and type in WooCommerce. When you type in WooCommerce, it provides you the results. So you either can access WooCommerce from the results given, or it's also on the left side panel of the screen that's already on the WordPress account. So you just click on that. And then for us to proceed with creating the store, is that there's a need for the email that we have inputted to be verified. So we can click on Resend Verification Email. And then on the left side, or on the right side of the screen, or upper right side of the screen, there you can see that the verification email has now been sent. And then all you have to do is just go to your email account and make sure that you confirm your email for the WordPress to proceed with creating your WooCommerce account. Okay, once you have confirmed your email, you can now go ahead and refresh the website. Once you refresh the website there, you can see that you can now start a new store. You can just click on it. And then it will ask for the address or the business address to accept the payments. So this will act as your permanent or your default business address for the site. But no worries, you can also change it later on if there's a need for you to. It also asks for your email address for us to continue. Once everything has been filled out, you can click on continue, and it prompts you to ask a little bit more about your business. So it asks about your product and how long has your business been. It also asks for your annual revenue. And it also is asking you if you are currently selling the products elsewhere and what platforms have you been using. Once you click on continue, it routes you to the final step where there is a required domain change for us to proceed. Since the domain that we are currently using is currently for free, there is a need for us to upgrade or choose the domain that you need to purchase for you to proceed with creating or launching the website. But no worries, even though you have not created or if you have not purchased another domain, you can still go ahead and proceed with creating your website. So you can start on the pages of the website. So you can click on pages and then add a page, and then this will pop up on your end. You can either start with a blank page or you can choose the template that is being provided. Okay, so you have the option to either edit the information on the template. On my case, since this is just for an example, let me go ahead and just click on publish. When I click on publish, this may take a few seconds to load up. So when you click on publish, this will be notifying you that your page has now been published. So you can just go ahead and go back to your dashboard, your WordPress dashboard. And once you are on the dashboard, you can definitely see that the page that you have created has now been published. You can just go back and there it is. So it shows coming soon. And then another option here is you can also create posts and then add a new post. When you click on add a new post, you can just type in what the post is about, and then you can also input the information or details informing more about the post that you will be posting, and then just hit on publish, and there it is. It has now been published. And for us to proceed with the creation of the new store, you can go ahead and purchase the domain and then upgrade the account as well for us to create or for you to create your own account. And that's about it. You have now set up your Woocommerce, and all you have to do is to choose the payment methods that you'll be using when you will be purchasing the domains as well. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.